Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are seeing this face for the first time, then hi, my name is Mamta. I make videos on every Wednesday and Saturday probably. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you like anything, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and like and comment. Yeah. So as you know from the title that today I'm going to talk about this one app which name is Storytel. Now this is very similar to audiobooks by Amazon, and I do not personally like this concept of audiobooks. I mean, ebooks are not like the real books, and I don't like Kindle ka concept as well. Like as a person, I know it saves a lot of trees and paper and it's good for environment, but I still don't like it. I don't know why, but I like reading book physically, not on a screen. It's just something weird. So yeah, I never tried audiobooks, but since ever we started living in quarantine and lockdown, there was this one app which is being promoted, and I thought let's just try it because I like trying every new thing. So I tried reading 5 books on this app, and I'm going to share my experience, and if you wanna listen, keep on watching the video. So I started with the one book which named The Secret.
Say hello. So I'm reading this book, The Secret, and it has challenged all the beliefs I had since childhood. Like हमको बचपन से सिखाते हैं, don't expect too much, don't expect too much so that you hurt yourself जब वो चीज़ें नहीं पूरी होती हैं. And in this book I've been told to expect things to make it a reality. So it's a little contradictory. I don't know. जिसने भी The Secret पढ़ी है, please comment down below and let me know if you find some of the things a little. Also, I think reading a philosophical book on Storytel is a little challenging because you end up getting distracted in every 2 minutes, and yeah.
I think it was hard listening a philosophical book. Like it's a general human nature, I feel कि कोई ज्ञान देने लगता है ना तो आपका अपने आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान भटक जाता है कि like oh again. So it was like that. I tried listening it with utmost attention, but thanks to social media, my attention span is really low. हर 2 मिनट में मुझे वो पीछे करना पड़ता था because मेरा कुछ ना कुछ तो मिस हो जाता था और मैं ढंग से नहीं सुन पा रही थी. But then again I started listening it. मुझे ये एक बुक कंप्लीट करने में, जबकि ये बहुत ही छोटी बुक थी, फिर भी मुझे कंप्लीट करने में 3, 4, 5 दिन लग गए. एंड Storytel इज जस्ट फॉर स्टोरीज, ऐसा मुझे लगा इस बुक को पढ़ने के बाद. बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, स्टोरीज में you're looking forward to something, but in philosophical books they are telling you to do this, telling you to do that to improve your life, which becomes a monotonous, like some way or the other, I feel. So I'll start talking about the good thing first. I think the narration. Like sometimes ऐसा होता है ना कि book आप पढ़ रहे हो, but sometimes the book cannot connect with you and you just couldn't finish it. इसमें ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. इसमें ऐसा है कि सामने वाला बंदा कुछ बोल रहा है and you have to listen. The problem is you just not need to hear it. You need to listen and process. That is a challenging part, I feel, because we have no habit of listening, I guess. So Storytel made me listen all these books, and थोड़ा मैं ध्यान से सुनने लगी हूँ कि ओके ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है. मैं बहुत ध्यान से सुन रही थी ये बुक्स, जबकि शायद अगर मैं बुक पढ़ रही होती तो मैं बीच में ही छोड़ देती, क्योंकि so that would have happened if I was reading a physical book, but because it was an audiobook and some narration was going on, I was listening it. So narration is a really good point about Storytel, and I felt that it was more like a podcast. I don't know how many of you listen podcasts, but podcast is basically where people, it's more like a radio thing, but people talk and share their experiences. And पॉडकास्ट बहुत टाइप के होते हैं बेसिकली. सारी ये जो म्यूजिक ऐप्स होती हैं इन पे आजकल पॉडकास्ट अवेलेबल होने लग गए हैं. पहले सिर्फ आई गेस आईफोन या iTunes में अवेलेबल होते थे, बट नाउ दे आर अवेलेबल ऑन एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म. एंड आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ पॉडकास्ट, बट आई समटाइम्स लिसन इट, टाइम पास. सो I felt Storytel is more like a podcast, एंड जब मैं द सीक्रेट पढ़ रही थी तो उसमें बहुत सारी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वॉइसेस थी, तो इट वॉज लुकिंग लाइक समबडी इज हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्जेशन रादर देन जस्ट रीडिंग अ बुक. Also, I felt it is a price efficient way. A single book will cost you around 150, 200, 250, 300, like more than that. ठीक है, but इसमें you are paying a monthly subscription fee and you can read as many books as you want if you like listening and if you have a habit of listening. It's a really nice app. I don't know, but I felt कि जो मैं एक इंग्लिश बुक सुन रही थी, शायद मैं इसलिए कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही थी. सो आई स्टार्टेड लिसनिंग गोदान एंड आई हैव टू से द नरेटर शाश्वता शर्मा इज सो गुड.
So, guys, the second book I'm reading is प्रेमचंद जी की गोदान. And मुंशी प्रेमचंद की बुक्स हमारे CBSE के सिलेबस में भी होती थी, like 10th, 11th, 12th standard, not 11th, 12th, 9th, 10th standard के आसपास. And I always loved his stories, but this one is a proper novel of 12, 13 hours. So, I would like to mention that the orator, her name is Shashwata Sharma, is so good. Like, it's a very long story, but because of her narration, I am hooked and I'm still listening. So, yeah, it's a good book. You should read it. If you like Hindi literature, then I would recommend you to read this Munshi Premchand ji ki Godan.
She is the single person. There is no sound effects or there is no specific other person speaking. She's the only person, she's the only narrator, and the way she has narrated Godan is, I think हम सबको हिंदी नॉवेल्स भी पढ़ने चाहिए. इट्स रियली गुड बिकॉज मैंने ये फील किया कि बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें हिंदी में बोलने नहीं आती हैं. वी आर सो एडिक्टेड टू स्पीक हिंग्लिश, नॉट इवन प्रॉपर इंग्लिश, बट हिंग्लिश इतना ज़्यादा हो चुका है कि अब हमें आधे हिंदी के वर्ड्स नहीं पता है. तो जब मैं हिंदी नॉवेल पढ़ रही थी तो मुझे कुछ कुछ चीज़ें लगी थी लाइक व्हाट डज दिस मीन, व्हाट डज दैट मीन. तो या आई थिंक आई विल कीप रीडिंग हिंदी नॉवेल.
So, right now I'm reading this Bad Feminist by Roxane Gary. And in the book, she mentioned that she's a black woman and it's her perspective and everything. And initially, I thought, okay, it's just like any other feminist book. But I would recommend everyone to just go and listen this book just for 10 minutes. And if you think it's not your type, then it's okay, leave it. But I am really, really sure that you will love reading this book because it will challenge all the beliefs and all the things we have. Listen about feminism, you know, what is right feminism, what is wrong feminism, what is pseudo feminism. And this book speaks about, you know, a very different perspective altogether. So I like this book. And I want to recommend this to everyone. I don't know why it has a rating of 3.5 on Google, but I liked it. I like this.
And I also read this really short story, and then we met again by Mitali Meelan, and the narrator was Ravindra Singh, and I personally like that. Like, it has a little Bollywoodish effect to it. The book was very small and I knew what is going to happen in the end, but I loved the narration, and it was a really short story. And then I relate to the, you know, Storytel app, that it is not for philosophical books. Philosophical books are available on it, but it is basically a storytelling app. Like, if you really love to listen stories and love to read, you know, story wale novels, so you will like this app. But again, if you like reading थोड़ी सेल्फ मोटिवेशनल वाली बुक, सो यू विल नॉट लाइक इट बिकॉज एक टाइम पे ना यू विल बी लाइक कब खत्म होगी ये, कितनी लंबी है ये. This was happening with me when I was reading The Secret. It was becoming very difficult for me to finish the book, but the other story wali novels, they finished very quickly. And I was hooked to those books. Now let's just talk about the bads. The bads were like the sound effects. जब मैंने द सीक्रेट्स पढ़ी ना, तो उसमें बहुत सारे साउंड इफेक्ट्स चल रहे थे, एंड दैट मेड मी लाफ. लाइक, क्या चल रहा है? बिकॉज व्हेन यू रीड अ बुक, इट लीव्स समथिंग टू योर इमेजिनेशन, एंड यू नो you have a scene going in your head. But this sound effect thing, which I completely don't like. Like, what is going on? This is like I'm listening a serial. The changing voice was also a problem. It's more like I told you that I'm listening a conversation, more like reading a book. And I would like if there is one narrator who is narrating all the story rather than 6, 8, 10 other people telling the same story differently. As I said, the imagination part is taken. Like, you cannot, there's nothing left for the imagination. Everything is being told. There is sound effects, there is, you know, changing voices, so it becomes a little not my type. And Storytel also has series, like audio series. I think it is basically, it justifies its name, Storytel, which is good, but not for every book. As also I found it a little distracting. When you are reading a book, you have a physical thing in front of you, but when you are listening is an art, I feel. And sometimes what happens, you're listening and you just reach somewhere else in some other world and you're thinking something else. So, you know, it just, then you have to rewind whatever happened and you have to listen again and again. That happened with me. Maybe this is just my experience, but yeah, that was something I don't like. I think I will not continue with the monthly subscription. This was just 1 month I used it. I'm not going to use it again because I like reading physical books. Like, you have to be extra attentive while listening story or while listening the book rather than when you are reading it, because when you are reading it you can put a bookmark and do your work and then come back and again read it. But when you are listening it now, it becomes a little monotonous, I feel. Like, some things are good as they are, but Storytel is a really nice initiative for the people who have little eyesight issues, or you know, who cannot use Kindle or focus on a screen or read a book. So you can just plug in your earphones and you can disconnect with the world, which is a really nice thing. So for those people, I would suggest, if you like, you can give it a try. This is my experience I'm sharing, and I am suggesting that for once you should try. But, and also, this is not a paid or promoted video or anything. I paid my own money to try this app. Yeah. So yeah guys, that was my review. I personally will not use it again, but again, it's my personal experience. I will suggest you to just try it for 1 month and then see if you like it. Then please continue like listening stories or listening books on this app. But in my experience, I found it a little extra. You have to put extra attention and it is a little distracting for me, so I might not continue listening books. But my experience was okay. Like, I would not say कि मेरे पैसे बर्बाद हो गए. I listen the books, I like it, and it's a really nice alternative and it's a money saving, as I told you. So yeah, if in future I feel like, I'll maybe use it again, but not for now, because right now it's a lot for me. So yeah, that was the review, and do let me know what do you think about this app, whether you are going to use it or not. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to comment down below.